Nepali government could imagine what would be the result of ban imposed socisl media. Hard protest diverted the situation against the government. This ban stimulated the demonstrations in the country. Nepali public was already prey of the corruption. On the 19th of September, the government took a hard step, and 19 people were killed. Today, more deaths have been reported, and now this death toll goes to a total of 21. More than 300 people have been injured. On Tuesday morning, the 9th of September, a ban on 26 social media was lifted. Earlier ban was imposed, which youth of Nepal had rejected. Curfew was imposed in Kathmandu when protesters entered the parliament building. Protesters set fire in the building. Several buildings were seen ablaze. Nepali Prime Minister KP Sharma resigned, and there are rumours that he flew to UAE. These demonstrations were started this Monday at 9 a.m. By 1 p.m., the demonstration was converted into chaos. Sounds of rubber bullets and tear gas firing were heard repeatedly. Nepal youth and people were inspired by protests in Sri Lanka in 2022 and in Bangladesh in 2024. The root cause behind the protest was the ban on 26 social platforms. These platforms were given the 3rd of September deadlines to get registered with the government. The time period was lapsed, and these social platforms were banned.